Hey guys, I know it's been a long time for me posting a video on TSR Rudy, but because the season I guess is starting to end on infected for scootering and stuff. So I'm really gonna be posting a lot of videos on camera stuff, reviews, kind of showing you about camera stuff, like the channel's for. But anyway, as you can see, I have a very big box here. So I just recently ordered stuff for camera only. So we'll get started on the unboxing. Hope you like it. I just got this today. So first thing, see? Oh, this is one of 3. Oh, this is nice. Amazon Basics bag. So that's that. If my camera dies, damn. Okay, next thing is the Opteka X-Grip, or Opteka, however you guys say it. But it's the X-Grip. Okay. And last, tiny little thing, look at that. It's a Zeikos, or Zeikos, I call it Zeikos. 34x, or 0.34x fisheye lens. So, I'll open up this. Casing. Slow manual. And the adapter ring. I don't think I'll be needing it. Alright. Oh, and here it is. Oh wow, a lot bigger than I thought. That's really nice. Zeikos. I don't know if it's backwards. Ooh. Has the super macro. Whoa, that's really nice. I'll put it on right now. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if I'll need it. The case. Wait, will I? Oh yeah. Wow. Look at that. Alright, so you can see the whole box there. Almost all of the kitchen and the table, and I'll take it off. You see? Just the box and like little things. So I am very impressed with this. So I'll put that beside here. Alright, now for the X-Grip. I've seen an unboxing of this. It's just like it's just the thing itself. Not a big unboxing. That's why. Nice. Doesn't come with anything else except for that stuff. Everyone hates the sand or whatever it is. Oh, nice. My friend has this, and my friend has this, and like the exact same one, but it's an older version. This is really nice. That new X-Grip smell. I don't know if you saw that or not, but yeah, X-Grip. That's really nice. Put that aside. And last but not least, the bag. This, I've been waiting for to get one for so long. I'm so happy I found one. And it was only like $20 on sale on Amazon. So we got here the front zipper. You can fit like tools and stuff in there. For scootering, just a little pouch to tighten everything up. Neck zipper. I could fit like maybe the X-Grip, not lenses, but different stuff like a computer, books, or the manual and stuff. That's really nice. Can't really see because it's all black. These are really nice zippers too. And then the big zipper to keep camera stuff. Okay, let's move this down. Alright. Whoa. That's cool. I think I'm going to be putting it like this. X-Grip here. And the body will go like, oh. And the body will go in the middle. What's this? Oh. Oops. Then the body will go in the middle. X-Grip, body here, lenses and stuff like that. This is really nice, little mesh stuff. It's actually pretty big. 2 of them. This is really nice, and these are removable. They're removable. I don't know if you saw that. I always wondered that, and then there's one guy, right before I ordered it, I was just waiting to see that. He said it was removable, so that's why I got it too. So, there's the bag. And straps, really thick. Has a nice little mesh feel. They're really cozy, have nice padding. And there's a chest buckle, I guess. Chest strap, and then the waist strap. A lot of people say it's kind of, actually, a lot of people say it's too low or too high. I'll put it on later. But, yeah, so this is all my stuff, unboxing of it. So, I'll take this off quickly. Alright. So this has been the unboxing from Amazon. It's upside down. The Amazon Basics backpack. The Zeikos, whatever. Fisheye lens, 34 with the super macro. And last but not least, like I said before, the X-Grip stabilizer. Let's focus that. So I'm probably gonna be doing. Is that focused? Yes. I'm probably gonna be doing a review on it pretty soon. Oh yeah, this is the tripod I'm using, by the way. It's up. I don't know what it is really. Doesn't say, or does it? Yeah, it's Opteks. Yeah, so that's the tripod, blah blah blah, and I'll see you next video. It's probably gonna be a review on a lot of stuff. Go on Infected, check out some usage of it, and yeah. So there's all the stuff again. Oh yeah, tripod mount thing. So there's the box stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, favorite, subscribe.